Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Multips Tech, popularly known as AB Casino. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe, join the family, like my videos, turn on the bell notification so you won't miss out anytime I upload. Alright, so guys, please note that my videos, my content here on this my YouTube channel are meant for educational purposes. Alright, I teaches people how to trade on BET9JA casino system and make a lot of money for themselves. Alright, so guys, on my last post, which I discussed about me helping people to manage their accounts, I won't lie to you, I got a lot of messages, positive messages, and at the same time negative messages. But well, I wasn't surprised because normally, sometimes when you're trying to be good and at the end of the day it may not count, and people may not see it as they may not see it as probably you're doing something good for them. All right, so so I had to play this game. It's a full signal which is on high and low. So they just send me see the outcome, then I continue what I'm saying. All right, okay, let's see. Gonna be having I. Let's see. Okay, I think that's a win. Oh, that's amazing. All right, so as I was saying, sometimes it won't count, sometimes it counts. So there's this comment I got. Um, I don't know how does it even say it. It says okay, Motive Tech. Why did you choose to raise accounts for people? Why not just do a giveaway? Well, I laughed and I was like, that's your thoughts. If you know you want a giveaway, you can also start it and start doing a giveaway for your people. All right, not like I don't support to do giveaway. I can do that. I think I've done it on my on the channel I lost. Yeah. So, and again, someone also came to me and says maybe Casino, why is it that you always talk about your lost channel, which is a Casino? And I was like, it is my starting channel. It's the channel I started up with when I first started YouTube. So it's something it really pains me when I lost the account. And the reason why I think I lost the account is because of the workings I was showing on the channel. And some people still don't get to believe. They still feels like I'm supposed to be showing workings on this new channel again. And I was one that knows what it takes. You won't, so it won't count. You understand what I'm saying? It won't count because it is me that lost the channel. Are you getting my point now? There's nothing you guys will do to it when that same thing happens to my previous channel tends to happen to this new one I'm using, and this new one I'm using. There's nothing you will do to it. I would be the one to bear it. So more is why I choose not to expose too much of workings here. Are you getting my point now? But everywhere is good, everything is good. You just have to accept the way it is. If you need more workings concerning any strategies I bring up here to explain, just know that you have to come to me privately, then or chat me on Telegram. My WhatsApp number also is available. I'm going to drop it in my description below. All right, so you get it there, then everything is going to be there. Anything you need, more enlightenment for enrollment, is going to be there. You understand? So another thing I got, which is a negative response, which I don't really like. I won't lie to you, I don't really like it. But the cow comment, I just, when I saw the comments, I laughed. When I saw the comments, I won't lie to you a lie, I just laughed and I just move away. So someone says, okay, more tips tech, you said you help people to raise their account. All right, so why did you decide to use your own trading account? Why not use their own trading account? Well, you're right in that case, but I have my reasons for choosing to trade on my own account. Because if I start today, if I start to expose the reasons, it will be like, it might not be really genuine to you, but it is really genuine to me because I don't use people's account to trade. Okay, that's our second warning. All right, so like I'm saying, I don't like using people's account to trade, like random account. I love to use my own personal account. So if I'm raising any amount for you, there's a trading account I opened for people to fund, then I will use it to trade for you. Then when I'm done with it, and I will send your money to you. That is the way I've organized it. So if you think that it's not okay by you, then you can just easily leave it. All right, and go for strategies. After all, I'm not charging you for this for the reason of account. I'm not collecting any dime from you. Are you getting my point now? There's this lady that also chats me talking about I should assist her in raising. I was even at first I was surprised because I wasn't expecting to see a female on this betting field, like on this field. I wasn't expecting though, but though I'm not saying ladies don't participate also, they participate, but it's kind of weird, not that common. So and chatted me and I'd be like, okay, I should assist her in raising an account. And I feel like even when she talked about things she's going through and a lot of things that she's a single mom and all those, I understand because I kind of like feel for her and I feel like okay, I will assist you, don't worry. And the next thing I could see is, was it today? Okay, it says it says there's a way he said it. He said he's not trusting me that okay, blah blah blah. You know I want to run us to it or so. So to me, I wasn't surprised because sometimes when you're trying to be good, some people will still not see it as a good thing. So my response to her was just like, no stress, it's your choice. Anything you want to do, you are free to do it. All right, you're the one looking for money, not me. So it's all well and good. So let's just go right into it. So I'll make it two winning here now, which is very, very interesting. That's on high and low and rainbow. But main particularly, I was there because of high and low premier, because most of people still don't believe this high and low premier works. Please listen to me. I am not saying all my strategies are 100% effective. No. The thing is, you don't expect me to come here and give you assurance of 100%. No. But I can only assure you a steady winning. I can assure you a steady winning. And this high and low premier I'm talking about here is very effective to the extent that if you are to lose, then two things are involved. It is number one of the two things, which is it is either you did not calculate well, like you didn't make your calculations very well. That may lead you to loss. Then the second thing is probably you are not trading at the time frame given to you, because it has a time frame. Are you getting my point now? So if you are not trading at the right time, you might tend to lost also. So those two things are the two things involved. If you can abide to those two things, then you'll be having you'll be having an easy trade when using this high and low payment. So I want to do one more stake, all right, on this high and low. Then you get to see how things is being done. Sorry, I won't be showing workings on how I'm getting this sign, but just bear with me. If you want to know how it is being done, come and get the strategy, then I will send it to you. All right, and for the rainbow, it is also available. You can come and get it while I will send them to you. All right, so it's very, very easy, guys. Very, I won't lie to you, it's very easy to understand. Nothing so spectacular about it. All right, so that's just it. So let me go on. Okay, let me go on. Let me increase my stake to okay, I want to balance it to 50k. So I need 5,000. Okay, I need 5,000 to balance it to 50k. So let's go, guys. So we're having another eye here. All right, please don't use a guessing method on high and low. High and low is a very strategical option that you can use a guessing option on. A strategical option, please note. All right, as you can see now, we had a loss. It's a very strategical or option. I mean a strategical game that you can use a guessing option on. Please note that one. Okay, so now we're gonna double the bet here, and we're gonna get our winning. This one is certain. I can even go and raise it over because I know it's a win. Let me just pull up everything here. All right, just watch, guys. We're getting our eye here. It's very, very certain. All right, there are things I saw before I could boldly put all this capital over here. All right, so let's watch and see the outcome, guys. This is a live trading, guys. Can you see? This is a live trading. Can you see? This is a live trading. Do you saw it? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see what I'm saying? It's a live trading. Can you see? I just minimize it now. Can you see? Can you see it's a live trading? So guys, if you want this strategy, you're free to come over to me, then I will attend to you. Okay, and if you still want me to raise account for you, If you want me to raise an account for you, no problem. The terms and conditions is very easy. I'll give you my trading account, you fund it, then I will raise it for you for good 4 times. Like a rollover, I will apply 4 rollovers to it. Then after applying the 4 rollovers, then after the all winning, just send me account details and I'll forward your money to you. I'm only using this to help people like some certain setup, most especially my old time subscribers from AB Casino to Multips Tech. So that's just that about that. So see you guys on my next video. Stay blessed and have a wonderful day. Good night. Bye.